Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload a video longer than 15 minutes on YouTube. Very easy to do. You basically just have to verify your channel, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So all you have to do is start off on YouTube's homepage here, and then you want to go up to the top right corner where you see your little profile icon. Click on that, and then click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you want to click on the Channel Status and Features option just under your channel icon right here in the middle. Click on that. And then it'll bring you over to a bunch of settings here. You'll see there's an uploading setting, monetization, live streaming, embedded live streams, longer videos, unlisted private videos, custom thumbnails, external annotations, custom URL, content ID appeals, and channel memberships. So now to enable the longer videos, you just want to click on the enable button right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to verify your account. So what you want to do is just put your country right here in the top left. And then you just want to either decide to call with the verification code or text. So I'm just going to click on the text option here. And then you just want to go ahead and put in the phone number that you want to confirm it with. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. And then once you get your code, you want to go ahead and put your code in and then just press on submit. And then what this will do is it will then verify your account. So then if we go back over to our profile icon up here and back over to settings, and then back to channel status and features, you will then see now you have been enabled for longer videos on YouTube. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to upload a video longer than 15 minutes on YouTube. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.